Minister.
Yes, please.
Excellencies, Mr. Grant, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the United Nations. Thank you for joining me here today. I am pleased to inform you that Their Excellencies President Chamorro and Prime Minister Zia have agreed to serve as our co-chairs today.
Mr. Secretary General, Mr. James Grant, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, 3 years ago, we made a promise to our children. We pledged to make them the focus of our attention. I thank the UN for gathering us here today to assess the progress. In my country, Bangladesh, the inspiration to serve our mothers and children is derived from our cultural roots. We were one of the first countries to adopt and ratify the Convention of the Right of the Children. It finds a significant place in our national program of action. I personally launched it on 2nd June last year. We have made good progress. Particularly noteworthy is the success of the expanded program of immunization EPI. Its coverage has risen from 22% to 70% in 5 years. By 1995, we hope to achieve 80% for neonatal tetanus and polio. Mid-decade goals have been achieved. Usage of ORT invented in Bangladesh has increased appreciably. We have made primary education compulsory under law. Education for girls in rural areas have been made free up to the 8th class. Budgetary allocation in the social sectors has been considerably enhanced. Enrollment for 6 to 10 years old has reached 66% as against the 1995 goal of 68%. To accord primary education required emphasis, a separate department has been created under my direct supervision. A novel food for education scheme has been launched. By now, through 1.5 million tubewells, 80% of our rural population have access to safe drinking water. Vitamin A distribution is being integrated within EPI Plus drive. Legislation for universal salt iodation by 1994 has already been enacted. I am committed to reaching dal bhat or basic nutritional needs to every home. As the current chairperson of SAARC, I am heartened by some regional measures. In the Dhaka summit this year, the leaders of the South Asia confirmed the early Colombo resolution of 1992 that set regional goals. We emphasized the centrality of women and children in our development strategies. Time is over. I'm stopping here because 3 minutes are. I must do what I preach. Thank you.
Marvelous. May I say, Madam Chairman, your statement will be distributed to everybody.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. No.
This is.
Yes.
This. It is a great honor to introduce my distinguished co-chairman, Her Excellency Mrs. Violeta Boris de Chamorro, President of Nicaragua, and invite her to address the roundtable.
Muchas gracias, mi querida amiga.
I thank my dear friend, distinguished heads of states,